How to connect Google Analytics to Teespring. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can connect Google Analytics to Teespring. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have your Google Analytics ID. Alright, and how do you get this ID? By creating a Google account. Okay, if you don't have a Google account before, create a Google account and then locate your Google Analytics ID. Once you've gotten it, come back to your Teespring account, yeah, and log in just like I have. And then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you'll see some options. Scroll down until you see tools and services. All right, this is it. Click on it. Once you click on it, another menu will be displayed. Select tracking pixels. Tracking pixels is located below pricing discount. So once you click on tracking pixels, we brought to the tracking pixels page where you'll see Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and then Google. Click on Google. And once you click on Google, you'll see default Google AdWords conversion pixel, default Google AdWords label conversion pixel, and then default Google Analytics tracking snippet. So just come over here, enter the Google Analytics tracking ID or snippet, and then click on update. Once you click on update, um, a list of instructions will be portrayed on your screen. Follow the instructions, and then once you're done, Google Analytics will be connected to your Teespring. And for you to be able to monitor this, just move to the left side of the screen as well, and then click on the Analytics option, which is located below Integrations. And once you click on it, you'll be able to monitor your Google Analytics. So this is how you can connect Google Analytics to Teespring. Very simple, right here. So go ahead and make that connection today. Thanks for watching.